Hello, it's me again, and today's video is about my air conditioner. I think a lot of people were expressing interest. The boat came with a Cruisair dual heat exchanger system that probably stopped working over a decade ago. The Cruisair, as you know, is water cooled, has a compressor system and air handlers, and we had two. The complexity of that system and cost in terms of maintenance and running costs, amps consumed, space taken up by all that stuff was just beyond my level of acceptance. It just doesn't work as well as modern systems do. So, as you can see, right up here is a 15,000 BTU RV style air conditioner. It's also a heat pump. So that will cool, the way I have it set up, the whole boat. The system comes with a remote. The only thing you need to do is to install it is cut a 14-inch by 14-inch hole in the roof, which I'll let you know is a terrifying experience. You just gotta hope that you only get one try and you get it right. But after that, you just run a 120 volt wire to it and you're done. There's no plumbing, there's no hoses, there's no taking up of space. So before I did that, I took the old system out, the Cruisair, and just ripped it out and threw it away and freed up a ton of storage. This setup works because these boats come with portholes or hatches down into the body of the boat. So let me grab a hold of the camera and start to show you stuff. This is the starboard side hatch. The port side hatch is identical, and you can see the cover of an RV fan. I use Max Airs. They're much better than the Dometic. The Dometics are really pieces of crap. So let me go downstairs for a second and open it up and show you what I did. When I want to heat or cool the body of the boat, I open these hatches up. There's a way to do that from down below, and turn on both fans. This fan I run on low, pulling air down into the boat. The other fan I run on number 2 speed and push air up into the pilot house. This causes air circulation through the pilot house, and as a result, the body of the boat takes the air conditioning or the heat pump heat, circulates it down and then through the boat and back up, and cools the whole boat very efficiently. This air conditioner I got from Rec Pro has never taken more than 12 amps running full speed. So I don't need a second 30 amp line anymore. I just run one 30 amp line and have it wired to that 30 amps, and there's no problem. I can run the microwave or a vacuum cleaner or whatever else I want and still have power. So this has worked out very well. Let me show you from down below what it looks like. So these are just normal exhaust fans for the roof of an RV. And they look kind of nice sitting in the spot they're in, and they work wonders. So this one pulls the air down, and this is the main passageway into the front of the boat and to the rear. And this other one pulls air up out of the kitchen, so it kind of acts as an exhaust fan for that too. And you can see it's got start to stop, speed control, reverse, etc. Max air. Only one to get. This is what the air conditioner looks like on the roof of the pilot house. It's very efficient, 15,000 BTUs. It only consumes 12 amps of power at full blast, and I was able to eliminate the second 30 amp connection to the boat and just wire this up to the single 30 amp connection. Its efficiency is derived from all the work that's been done in DC motors for the EV industry. One of the things I had to do is raise the radar dome to look over top of it. So I had to put this little extension on the base of it to get it up about 6 inches over the top. Other than that, it's very simple. It's just a matter of cutting that hole very carefully. The area behind this was too close to the new mast, so I had to move it forward. One final note on this is that you need an enclosed pilot house. This boat came with a open fly bridge and just vinyl covers, which doesn't give you enough sealing capability to keep the cold or warm air from escaping out of the boat before it reaches downstairs. And that's a whole other video about building this this pilot house and the way I did it. Thanks for watching.